Hi, today being a Monday, surprisingly, it was a good day for me. When the market started off, it fell off, and as expected, I was expecting it to fall, but then I wanted to get up again over here, but somehow I could not pull that trade, and ultimately in a pullback, got a long trade over here, and had a stop loss at this point at the high of this. So then this arrow is incorrect. It got me out somewhere over here. Then I thought, okay, the market looks to be going up. So then over here, I again bought it. I bought this and waited, and then ultimately over here, it hit my stop again, hit my stop. So this went out on a small stop. This also went out on a small stop. So these two trades went for small losses, but this then I had shorted one over here. This was actually a reversal trade, the closing of this as well as shorting. So then luckily, and I had put a stop over here actually. I At that time this line had not formed. This had not come down until here. So it did not hit my stop, and from here it reversed, and then I got out somewhere over here. I tried to catch over here, but then market was so fast it ran up. So then when it came down over here, I actually got out somewhere here below this. It's again, this arrow is incorrect. It should be on this bar. Somewhere around 36, 37, I got out. So yeah, a good trade today, and best part was I was able to hold on myself. No impulsive trade, even after making two losses. There was no feeling of that what will happen. Should I, get out when this started going? When this short position which I had taken started going incorrect, I still did not. Panic or get nervous about it. My stop was over here, and I could hold on to it. Now, looking back on a hindsight, I realized why I was, why I was cool about it and why I did not panic, why I did not push the button in panic. It was maybe because I was following the hourly chart. I looked at the hourly chart. Once I put in my stops and targets, I stopped looking at the 5 minute chart. I checked only the hourly chart. The hourly chart says this was the high, and my stop was above it. So I was a bit comfortable that this is an hourly high. So let me hold it. I did not look at the 5 minute chart. So that was it, and it helped me get out, and it helped me weather the storm, whether the ups and downs, intraday ups and downs of the market. Other thing is that my algo did well today, and it did bring out a good. It did work properly, and it did give me a good profit today. Tomorrow again, I'll try and tweak my settings and see how it goes. Surprisingly, well, not actually surprisingly, it's like expected thing that the algo did better than me. Even algo took more trades, almost 5 trades, but even then, even after that, it ended up positive compared to me doing positive with 3 trades. So algo is definitely far better. So I still go ahead with that. It was more of a paper trade, so nothing much to do in that algo thing. But the logic and the working functioning of my program is working fine. So going forward, I'll look into how to automate it using my broker's API and then connecting it, and then maybe do some more paper trades on that, and then finally I will get into the live trade with that. Hopefully, few days or maybe couple of weeks, and I think I should get there. So waiting for that. No, happy trading, everybody. That's it for today. Bye.